OilCooled is a Boxing Gas's annual festival of air-cooled 911s and just like-minded enthusiasts, really. The workshop is open for people to come in and see what we're up to. It makes sense for us to have our doors open and enjoy the fun with everybody.
It's been a great day. I mean, you know, the event last year was a lot smaller. This year, obviously, we've ramped it up with a lot more people. Frank's invited us. I think we're in a region of about 700 people, and it's come across really well. You know, there's been some great feedback. It's been nice for Mikey and I at Autofarm to sort of have our customers turn up and actually have some time to talk to them, discuss the projects that we're doing. So yeah, I'm really excited. Sort of, you know, feedback we've got.